Next, the discussion about the voltage and the current divider. Let we keep one questions about that. A bit complicated about the questions. Let's say this is a resistance and another resistance and connected like this, and here is another resistance and then is connected with a voltage. Let's say this one is V, this one is 3 ohm, which is R1, and R2, which is 6 ohm, and let's say R3, is 2 ohm. The question is find find V I1, I2, I3, V1, V2, and V3. Okay, the point is we are going to simplify this first. Okay, let's say this one is R, which is R4. Yeah? Because R4 is 3 times 6 over 3 plus 6. This is the formula R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2, which is 18 divided by 9, which is 2 ohm. And then we simplify this series with this, okay, with the R3. So let's say this R5. R5 is R4 plus R3, which is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 ohm, because R4 is 2 and R3 is 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. We have simplified all the resistance, so we are going to find the current, the total current that flowing on here. This one, let's say this one is total current. IT is the total current, which is the volt divided by the total resistance. The voltage is, let's say the voltage is 6 volt. So 6 divided by 4, which is equal to 1.5 ampere. Okay, we have calculated the total current. Now we are going to find the I1 using the equation, which is I1 is equal to R2 over R1 plus R2 times I total, which is equal to R2 is 6 over 9 times 1.5 ampere, which is equal to, this time this is 91 ampere. Next, for the I2 is the current that flowing here. I1 is the current that flowing here. This one is I2. So the index is R1. So R1, which is R1 divided by R1 plus R2 times IT, which is equal to R1 is 3 over 9 times 1.5. Is 4.5 divided by 9 is 0.5 ampere. Okay, so it's proof that 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5. Now we are going to find I3. I3 is the current that flowing here, which is the same with the current that flowing here, IT, because after it goes here, goes there, and then combine again in here. So I3 is equal to I total, which is 1.5 ampere. Now our task is to find the V1. V1 is the voltage over R1. Of course, we are going to use the Ohm's law, which is V is I1 times R1, because this flowing through here, which is equal to I1 is 1 times R1 is 3, which is 3 volt, and V2 also I2 times R2, which is equal to 0.5 times R2. R2 is 6, which is 3 volt also. So it's proof that in parallel circuit, all the voltage are the same. this 3 volt, 3 volt, and 3 volt, 3 volt, 3 volt, and we will add with this voltage R3. The V3 is I3 times R3. I3 is 1.5, which is the same with total, times R3. R3 is 2, which is 3 volt. So in series circuit, all the voltage, the total voltage is the sum of each voltage. So this one is 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 volt. So it's proved here. So this is the way to find the voltage and current using the called voltage divider and also current divider. Okay, if you like to subscribe, thank you.